See those guys? What do you think, Burn?
Don't groove, my man.
Here comes Nathan and Ken, I think. Here comes Nathan. Man, I took a movie of that.
Ken got stuck in the tree.
You got stuck on a tree? That puss.
That Piscator.
That Puscator. Alright, enough of that movie.